In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use monday.com for manufacturing so you can manage production schedules, track inventory, and streamline your workflows. First, sign in to your monday.com account and create a new workspace. Click the plus button on the left sidebar and select Workspace. Give it a clear name such as Manufacturing Production. Next, create separate boards for different areas of your operation. For example, you can create boards for production schedules, inventory management, material requirements, or quality control. Once your boards are ready, customize the columns to fit your manufacturing process. Add an item column for product or task names, a status column to track progress, a person column for assignments, and a due date column for deadlines. You can also add a priority column to identify urgent tasks and a numbers column to track inventory quantities or production counts. After setting up your boards, start adding production jobs, inventory items, or manufacturing tasks. Assign responsibilities and update statuses as work progresses. To improve efficiency, click Automate and create workflows that handle repetitive actions. For example, you can automatically notify team members when a task is completed or update inventory records when production is finished. If you use other business tools, you can also connect them to monday.com using integrations to keep your data synchronized across systems. Once everything is configured, review your boards regularly to monitor production progress, inventory levels, and upcoming deadlines. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use monday.com for manufacturing management. Thanks for watching.